Hello everyone. Thanks for joining us for EPIC's first remote demo day. I'm Michael Kouchakdjian. I'm a professor at AUA and also the director of EPIC, AUA's Entrepreneurship and Product Innovation Center. This event is the climax of the very first phase of the journey of our startups. The EPIC Incubator is an early stage pre-seed incubator where we focus on idea validation, customer discovery and development, and business model development. Teams spend 12 weeks with us where we provide workshops, meetings with successful entrepreneurs, events, mentors, and our one-of-a-kind prototyping laboratory. As these teams leave us, they will continue building their ventures at local accelerators on their own or at the EPIC Accelerator, which we will be launching in the coming year. I want to take this opportunity to thank our amazing EPIC Incubator team, Nejde Hovanesyan, our entrepreneur in residence, Arpine Manukyan, our operations manager, and Lilit Hagopian, our communications and administrative head, and our great work-study students, Gohar, Garine, and George. Finally, today the teams will be competing for 2 awards, the Michael Agbabian Seed Fund Award and the Michael Agbabian Innovator Prize. Now let me introduce AUA benefactor, Michael Agbabian.
I'd like to thank AUA for inviting me to be part of EPIC Demo Day. This year, of course, is a virtual demo day. Last year, I had the opportunity to be at the university in person to hear the pitches as well as to award the Innovator Prize. We are dealing with a lot of adversity this year because of the pandemic and other things that are going on in our world. But sometimes adversity leads to innovation and discovery. The American University of Armenia actually came out of adversity. My father is one of the co-founders, and the university for which this program is a part of and so many others came after the Armenian earthquake. I think what EPIC is doing is a wonderful, wonderful venture. I think to encourage entrepreneurship in Armenia is vital to the future of the country and to the future of the prosperity of our people. I think adversity can help innovation in a way. It spurs creative imagination and problem solving like nothing else can. So although it's been a little tough this year, and it still may be tough moving forward, I hope that the pitches this year will reflect that creative spark. Entrepreneurship in Armenia is vital to the future of the country and to the future of the prosperity of our people. I think adversity can help innovation in a way. It spurs creative imagination and problem solving like nothing else can. So although it's been a little tough this year, and it still may be tough moving forward, I hope that the pitches this year will reflect that creative spark that comes from some adversity and some status quo change. I look forward to the pitches. I look forward to awarding the prize. I thank you.
With new and interesting ideas, and also to our residents from other universities. I would much prefer us to be in Manukyan Hall all together, but still it is great to virtually celebrate the startup teams tonight. Today's demo day is a little bit different because this cohort started their journey during challenging times. The world has changed, market has changed, people's behavior changed. Despite the difficulties, our residents work really hard to get the result. We also moved our program to Zoom and we did it fast, but even working online we managed to reach our goals. With this cohort we had 12 weeks of intensive program and hard work, 15 workshops, 5 fireside chats where teams share their idea and try to help each other. 3 entrepreneurship hack nights where successful entrepreneurs share their experience and motivate teams. Also, I would like to share with you exciting news from the EPIC. In addition to our incubation program, we are launching our EPIC Accelerator. Follow us for more updates soon. Today, we receive most of the information via the internet, and our program is streaming through all over the world. We really encourage you. If you see anything interesting to our program today, please share it in social media and in LinkedIn. You may find the links to the pitches below. This cohort also was special because of mentorship and workshops were conducted online, and we need to spend a couple of minutes to recognize and thank our mentors and instructors. I would like to greet all our guest speakers who showed the incredible commitment and did their best to support us during the past 3 months. Also, the program wouldn't be possible without coaching and support provided by our mentors. Our team mentors and instructors have one goal: to provide all necessary knowledge and skills to our startup to implement their dreams and present their ventures to the world. Now, it is my pleasure to invite Kyureghyan, founder and CEO of NeuroHub Business Academy, Dork Alahydoian, SVP Membership Marketing and at the Scheme, to share with you experience and being a mentor at the Epic.
Hi all, my name is Kyureghyan and I am mentor in Epic. Almost 2 years I am working with Epic startups to reach their dream goals. I'm so proud to share my knowledge and experience in the sphere of business communication and marketing to help them to build more successful startups. It's a process of inspiring and also getting inspired by these young entrepreneurs. Thank you my colleagues in Epic who make this happen, and I think this cooperation will last long. Good luck all the teams on their demo day, and I hope they will rock it. Thank you, stay safe, and see you soon. Goodbye.
Parev from Ridgewood, New Jersey. My name is Dork Alahydoian. I'm one of the mentors for this session. I hope you guys are enjoying your demo day. This has been a really special experience for me. I enjoyed working with my team. I really had fun talking about my experience at the New York Times with a larger group. And I've been really overall just impressed with everyone's hard work and their passion and their desire to learn. As an Armenian American, it's really meaningful and inspirational whenever you get a chance to connect with young Armenian entrepreneurs. And even more important than connecting, it's really special when you have a chance to help. So I'm very thankful that I was able to participate and work with my team and meet all of you. I'm really looking forward to seeing how all of you succeed in the future, and I'm always available to help if I can. Good luck.
Big thanks for everything you have done to bring teams here tonight. Moreover, if you are interested in meeting startups for one-on-one sessions, you can talk with them live via Zoom right after the pitches. Simply send a message on the comment section and tell us with what team you would like to chat, and our facilitators will invite you to the Zoom room of the mentioned team. Now, let's move to our pitches, and good luck to everyone.
What is worse than losing money as a business owner? Losing it when you have already invested in it. I'm Mariam, co-founder of Mili, and I have watched the restaurant business losing its turnover on products that were not reaching the customers and not bringing revenue. And research has showed that businesses, bakeries, cafes, hotels and restaurants were losing up to 7% of their turnover on disposing products that turned out to be surplus because of demand prediction errors or management gaps. As a result, 1/4 of food they have already spent money on doesn't reach the customer table, not bringing revenue and instead turning into loss. And to solve this problem for the businesses, I'm presenting Mili, a mobile platform that will bridge HoReCa industry businesses and customers to create a platform to realize the surplus food. Meet Lily. She owns a bakery and she has saved up to $45,000 annually using Mili, and she also gets new customers, 70% of which return to her as a full paying customer. Now meet Mike. He's an IT specialist and he works near Lily's bakery, and he gets lunch and supper every working day from Lily's bakery with at least 30% discount, which rounds up to $300 annually to him. How do they do that? It's simple. As a customer, you need to register in the downloaded app and to make your preferences clear and to order food whenever you want it and to pay for it online and go pick it up yourself or use our delivery service. On the other hand, as a business owner, after downloading your menu on the platform, all you need to do is to make certain items available whenever you have identified a surplus of it. Please pack it in a special eco boxes we'll provide to you and mark the exact time the food was prepared to make sure it is fresh and of high quality, and we'll take care of the rest. We will charge 10% commission from each transaction, and we consider ourselves in indirect competition with all mobile platforms and applications that provide food and deliver it, including Menu.am, Sobat.am, etc. This business model has already been successfully implemented in 20 Western countries and has helped up to 45,000 businesses gain profits from it. And we have, luckily, we have reached an agreement with our international competitor Too Good To Go, and we are getting inside data and their experience sharing to implement this model in this continent. Now let's have a look at the Armenian market. Our business partners will cover up to 60% of HoReCa industry businesses, and in only the past 1.5 weeks, we have got idea validated by more than 15 companies, including these famous brands among them, and they have showed their full support and encouragement in the realization of this idea. Some of them will become our our early adopters. And to have a look at the customer segmentations and the market, the research has showed that we are targeting up to 18,000 customer market that grows annually by 13%, and that includes students, IT, banking, and other sector workers. And we aim to get 2% share of $70 million market in the HoReCa industry. This market is promising to us, and after launching the product in 3 months, we aim to launch another important product that is a separate section in the application that will tell you the discounted products in the supermarket and give you the opportunity to get it firsthand. In 6 months, we'll launch our delivery service and we aim to get up to 7,000 downloads in less than a year, and in 2 years we aim to scale up to new geographical locations including Georgia, Russia, Moldova, which are closer to Armenian culture and legislative processes. Why are we the perfect team to execute this solution that has already been tested and even failed? Mariam Mantasyan, CEO, business lady, and Mariam Hovanesyan, data scientist, CEO. We have more than 3 years of working together on various projects, and we know how to build and keep a market and to enjoy the process. Right now, we are looking for $8,000 of initial investment on software building and maintenance expenses, and the rest of the expenses and costs, including marketing and design, we'll cover up ourselves. Thank you for being here, and we are bringing the new industry where businesses gain instead of losing and customers save instead of wasting. Ping me up in this provided contacts, and let's see how we can change the industry.
Hello, my name is Irshad, and I'm a professor here at the American University of Armenia, and a professor of teaching English. And today I present to you Spok, the only language learning app that will teach you how to speak English. So one of the subjects I teach here in research is how to use technologies for language learning. And one of the gaps I notice is that from out of 100 language learning apps, there's not a single one that actually teaches you how to speak authentically with the speakers of the same language. And so in our company, we did some research. We've talked to about a dozen customers, and we've identified 3 main patterns of their responses. They said that they do not have enough speaking opportunity through language learning apps. They oftentimes have the fear of making mistakes. And number 3, they don't really feel like they're learning a language using language learning apps. So what we offer is the best of the language gamified learning apps, as well as the traditional face-to-face learning. And that is anytime, any place learning. engaging in affordable learning, as well as sound pedagogy with a lot of speaking opportunity using artificial intelligence. So how it works, our app starts with a few screens, activities that will help you learn the new words, new phrases, and then you will see how this new language is role-played between two different artificial intelligence bots. And then essentially you then engage in a very similar dialogue with your own bot. This is a video that demonstrates for you how it actually works.
Hey, my name is Spok, I'm your language tutor. What is your name?
My name, David.
Hello, David. What do you want to do today?
Let's talk about food.
Let's start our lesson. Today we will be talking about food. First, I will ask you some questions. Okay, do you like water?
I like water.
Good to know. Do you like pineapples?
I not like pineapples.
Please repeat it after me. I do not like pineapples.
I do not like pineapples.
That's great. Now, ask me some questions.
You like cheese?
No, I do not like cheese.
Please repeat.
Of course, I said, no, I do not like cheese.
Our initial customers include Russian speakers of English because it's a huge geographical territory and there is a lot of demand for learning English. They're also about 25 and 45 years of age, technologically savvy, and very little access to good learning opportunities, language learning opportunities due to location, time, or price. And so globally, this market is huge and growing. Right now, the estimate is approximately $6 billion of annual revenue. Our market is Russian-speaking at this point, and so it's approximately $100 million annual revenue, of which we're carving out approximately 1%, which is $1 million per year. And our plan is to go B2C. We'll be offering a freemium version of the free package with basic features, as well as another paid package for $10 a month for additional features. Right now we're at the MVP stage. We plan to go to the market and sell our product in 2021. First to the Russian-speaking audience, gaining approximately 10K of paying users. The year after, we plan to enter the South American continent because there is a lot of demand and huge population. And ultimately, from 22 to 23, we hope to grow our paying customers from 40K to 80K. Our competition is fierce. There is a lot of apps that offer similar solutions, but we stand out in terms of offering high convenience solution, as well as lots of communication opportunity in our app. And that is why we're there in the diagram in the top right-hand corner. Our team includes, besides myself, Mariana Grigorian, who is our seasoned marketing specialist, as well as business strategy person, as well as Hakobian, who is our developer. And our ask for now is 200K for us to fuel our go-to-market. Thank you very much.
Take care of your employees and they will take care of your business. Hi, I am Hasmik from Mossil. Do you know that over 70% of US employees are disengaged? According to Gallup, disengagement is costing companies up to $500 billion in lost productivity annually. If we go globally, this number climbed even higher. Companies with engaged employees outperform those without by 202%. To achieve this result, the main challenge for CEOs is become to keep basic things: healthy workplace and well-being of employees. Solutions like AC, air humidifiers, green buildings requires a lot of human care, and some of them are costly or even make a negative effect on biobalance. to achieve better result, we present a mossil, which provides fresh air, humidifies it, kills surrounding microbes. Also, it boosts human immune function and has calming and relaxing effect. Mossil is a vertical surface covered with moss, which consists of body, watering system, drain, and live moss as its own. Mossil is slim, and unlike our competitors, it can be installed even in a smallest meeting room. Also, it's equipped with IoT system for autonomous maintenance. Our business model is B2B commercial, and our revenue streams come from product sale and monthly subscription for maintenance and support. We sell mossil directly to our customers. Also, we consider partnership with architects and designers as another selling channel. According to our interviews, the businesses to create its own product rely on the engagement of enthusiastic and initiative employees. Based on this, we target as early adopters more than 650 companies who create intellectual property. Moreover, we see sustainable businesses, designing and architecture companies as our early majority. There are more than 8,000. Also, more than 11,000 companies from fields of Horeca, news and media, business centers are in a group of our late majority. Importance of our product is higher now than ever because working area per employee is steadily decreasing and cause overload. Also, the epidemic incidents become frequent, and those are a trigger for green building movement. And finally, my favorite slide. Here we are, the team of business lady Naira, architect Arsen, engineer Narek, designer Madam, and me, biochemist Hasmik. Don't lose your time and become our testing pilot with early bird prize right now. Also, don't hesitate to connect me personally. I am Hasmik. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Kyureghyan and I'm co-founder of Styliish. Have you ever woke up in the morning and didn't know what to wear? The reason I'm asking is because my team and I had this problem every morning, and even with a full closet, we sometimes think that we have nothing to wear. The problem is that we always keep forgetting what we have in our wardrobe, and if you are thinking about hiring a personal stylist, well, we all know that it's kind of expensive. All you can do now is to think of the looks by yourself, but on average it takes around 15 minutes to decide what to wear in the mornings. Now, in 5 seconds, try to remember what you have in your wardrobe. Well, even if I give you 5 minutes or 5 hours, you probably still won't be able to remember everything you have. But don't worry. We're creating a mobile virtual wardrobe where you can scan and save all your clothes, and within a few seconds, within a few taps, you can access them all and never forget about them. It will be a AI-powered personal stylist, which will let you know what to wear in the mornings. And it will also be a network where you can share your looks with your friends, follow your friends to see what they wear. It will become your personal shopping assistant, and let's say if you want to find a perfect match to the jeans that you have, you put this jeans into the filter, it scans the internet and finds the perfect match to this blue jeans. Now, about our competitors, there are a lot of applications that are virtual wardrobes and closet organizers, but all of them lack the same simple problem. It's very hard to scan and save the clothes, and you have to manually edit the background, and it's painful. One application that came close to our idea was a startup called Clues, and it had more than 300,000 users, and average user had more than 50 pieces of clothes. But unfortunately, due to this business model, they closed down in 2017. But we were lucky enough to find its founder, and now the founder is our advisor. We are learning every mistake that they have made, and we'll make sure to avoid these mistakes and succeed. Now about our marketing strategy. Our first target countries will be UK and US, and the market size and the potential is huge. Online e-commerce in fashion is a market more than $600 billion. The early adopters of our application will be users of current similar applications who are not really happy about the features that they get, and there are many. And the second group will be people who follow social media influencers to get style advice. The channels will be our partnerships with social media influencers, and we will have a strong internal referral program. Our business model in the beginning will be affiliate programs. We will work with brands on affiliate programs, and we will get commissions on the items sold through our platform. And later, when we launch our online store, we will charge commission on the items purchased on our platform. So what's next for Styliish? This year we'll be launching our MVP, and starting next year we will launch our online store and social network features. In 2022, we will launch a feature of 3D model creation, where you can virtually fit the clothes that you want to buy online to see how they look like on your 3D model, and that way you won't have to return the clothes that you buy online. In 2023, we will become a marketplace for second-hand clothes. You can basically sell the clothes that you will never wear to your network. Who we are? Our CTO is Greg Vartanyan. He has many years of experience in machine learning and software development, and Lilith Melikan will make sure that our marketing is the best. Please follow us on Instagram and send us an email if you want to be among our first users. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Nevert. I'm the CEO of uniQ. uniQ is a platform that connects social media users with talented writers from all over the world to crowdsource personalized captions for their social media posts. Meet Vicky. Vicky is the owner of a small bakery, and she knows that she has to post on Instagram every day to keep her customers coming. Let me walk you through the process. First, she gets the perfect picture, and then she gets the perfect edit, and finally, she's reached a problem. She needs to engage and interact with her customers with the perfect caption. Coming up with the perfect caption can be difficult, time-consuming, and costly. And trust me, Vicky is not the only one. There are 95 million pictures uploaded on Instagram every day, and all these pictures need engaging captions. That is exactly why we created uniQ. All Vicky has to do is go to our website, uniquecaptions.com, and she will upload a picture. After that, she will write a short description of what she wants to be the content about, choose the platform and a language, and that's it. And in a matter of minutes, she will get 3 different captions written by 3 different writers. This is what it will look like in a little bit. We bring value both to our users and our writers. Our users get on-demand copywriters. They save time and money and get customized and personalized captions. As for our writers, they get to monetize their idle time, and it's on the go. To give you a little bit more perspective, here are some problems you might relate to. Our first customer segment are micro-influencers. These are the people who post on Instagram almost every day. We estimate 50% of our revenue to come from them. And then we have SMM specialists. These are people who usually have somewhere 5 to 10 social media pages. We help them save time by writing their content, which will enable them to take on more clients. And finally, small businesses who simply cannot afford social media marketing. We are dealing with a huge untapped market here. So let's say this is the digital marketing industry. At the very top, we have people who can't afford an SMM team. And at the very bottom are people who simply use it for fun. In the middle, we have a total addressable market of $6.2 billion. Let's talk about competition a little bit. People who can't come up with captions other than us are social media marketing specialists. However, we all know it costs too much. Another alternative is caption collection apps. However, it takes too much time and are often very cliche. We are offering something that has never been offered before: the ability to crowdsource personalized captions from copywriters from all over the world who have different perspectives and have different creative abilities. Did you know that people are already willing to pay somewhere from $10 to $500? We will become a part of that expense with a freemium model. After 3 free posts, our user can subscribe to one of our packages. And as for our writer size, it takes them nothing but 5 minutes to write 1 caption, which pays them $1. We have been operating for a year, and we already have paying customers. And our number of captions has been increasing month over month. We've overall generated 1,300 captions. We will continue growing by our freemium model. First, we'll give 3 free captions. And then, once we get to 100 active users, we will upgrade to other features. Plus, we'll be working with influencers who have more than 100,000 followers. However, instead of giving them simple promo codes, we'll be working with them on a commission basis. That way, we hit 2 birds with 1 stone, sales and marketing. And finally, I know what you're thinking. What about the chicken and egg problem? Well, our main focus has always been on writers. We increase their per dollar amount as time goes by, so we motivate them to stay with us. We're very proud of what we've accomplished so far, and it's mainly because of the strong team behind uniQ. We're already self-sustainable and we have enough revenue, but you can help us accelerate our growth by investing $75,000 in us. Why are we the best to do this? Because we've been there. We know the competitive landscape. We have tried every other solution and none of them work. So don't think of uniQ as just captions. We will reinvent digital marketing. Thank you.
Meet Christina, a marketing and sales director of a small coffee shop near Cascade where there are a lot of restaurants. She often works sitting in the outdoor part of the restaurant and notices that the cafe nearby has no free spots, while her restaurant often has free tables. Christina is continuously working with designers and actors, photographers and event planners. However, the returns on investment do not rise. While the marketing campaigns reach millions of people, the tables become more and more empty. Even the last Instagram ad of the perfect-looking cheesecake did not bring more customers in. Disappointed, Christina searched to find out current trends and ways to create long-lasting relationship with customers. And she found Review, an innovative customer insight platform which helps restaurants to collect and analyze customer feedback. Christina signed up, and later she has found out that the customers do not enjoy the cheesecake as it is too sweet, and that the restaurant is free during lunchtime as they do not offer lunch menu. Hi, we are a team of innovation and marketing enthusiasts, and our startup aims to help HoReCa businesses to keep the finger on pulse of customer needs. We may all notice a restaurant which employs Christina. How? When you ask for a receipt and get it in the cup with the feedback form, that's when you know they do need your feedback. The problem? They do not even bring a pen. There are nearly 60% of restaurants which fail during the first year, and 80% of restaurants fail within 5 years. This is the frequently cited study by Ohio State University, which states that restaurant owners oftentimes do not realize the specific set of customer needs that come along with owning the restaurant and running the restaurant. There are nearly 15 million restaurants worldwide. It is estimated that 7 to 10% of their revenue goes to marketing. The average receipt per person counts to $15. This makes up nearly $20,000 to $50,000 per month for small and medium-sized businesses spent on marketing.
Let's be more specific about the product. For the businesses, Review is the dashboard. A restaurant register and create a survey form. They can choose from the existing templates or create it from the scratch. They can set targeted questions to reach the customers who fall into that segment. Afterwards, they receive a feedback. The feedback appears on the dashboard right away, so the managers can analyze it sitting in their office. Afterwards, they can get AI-generated business advices. For the customers, it is the application. It is incentivized to provide feedback during their visit at the restaurant. It allows to scan the QR code placed on the table and afterwards they fill in the survey and get a coupon. Customers can also subscribe for the announcement and news from the restaurants. Regarding the features that Review provides, most importantly, it allows to automate feedback collection process. It prevents fraud by certain mechanisms and algorithms, and as I've said, it allows for targeting and CRM integration.
We have examined every other similar solution. None of them was concentrated on specific business needs. Review will come to eliminate possible fraud of online surveying. And as an innovative tool, it will allow to analyze targeted feedback. Review is for better service, in-demand concept, and smarter marketing. We offer a freemium for the first month. Starting from the second month, restaurants can subscribe to use our basic or advanced packages for a fixed price. Why we are the best to do this? We have researched the market and its needs for months. We have been there. We have seen cafes shutting down a year after the opening. We have knowledge and expertise, and we are excited to be the problem solvers of this field. Review is currently in the seed funding stage. To start creating the first working prototype, we need to organize UX/UI design and start the development. As a vision, we see ourselves as a global innovative solution, which uses AI to extract advice for business development and support data-driven decision making. If you are interested to learn more, especially if you see yourself as a city of review, find us on LinkedIn and let's keep in touch. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Gor, and together with my friend Levon, we represent Narinj. Now, imagine a situation when you went out with a group of your friends to a restaurant or ordered delivery with your colleagues. What's the worst part? It's waiting for your food, right? But what's the next worst part? It's actually paying for your bill. It always looks messy, people get confused, they don't calculate in the tip or the delivery fee, they ask one person to pay and they transact money to another or pay in cash, which is inconvenient, and some people stay underpaid. Well, that's not an issue that should bother you in the 21st century. Now, welcome Narinj, the ultimate group payment application for you and your friends to use. With a few clicks on your phone, you can skip a lot of process in the real life. To use Narinj, you simply select this as the checkout method of your choice in any delivery platform in Yerevan. Then, you invite your friends with a link with conventional methods, WhatsApp, Telegram, Messenger, everything works, or display a QR code that will take them directly to your virtual table. You'll be greeted by your order next. Select the items that you've ordered and decided to share with your friends. Your share will be automatically calculated and presented to you below. After that, select your favorite card that you want to process the payment with and confirm it. This is how easy the process is, and for all of the comfort that we provide, we take 2% commission. Whom we are going to target? Well, we're going to target people who are already familiar with mobile wallets and understand and value their functionality. We're going to target people who also use delivery services and appreciate their comfort. And we're going to target people who, besides all this situation, love to be in groups of friends and people. That's it. What are current methods that people use? Well, we have Arca, Idra, MinecoPay, EasyPay, everything can work. But here's the problem. The same way that you would share 10, 20, 30 years ago works here as well. Nothing has changed, only everything is online. And it's again, inconvenient. No one has the splitting function. The only app that is popular in mainstream that has the splitting function is Venmo. However, Venmo only allows you to split the amount with your friends, which is not necessarily convenient, because our greatest benefit that we think at Narinj that we have is that we allow you to see the products that you are choosing and the friends that you are sharing with. About the market size. Well, full delivery market in Armenia is about $20 million a year, and restaurant and cafe sales amount to about $100 million annually. And we believe that with our conservative estimations, we can get to net income positive in 6 months with 2% market share and amount to about $8,000 in revenue and $3,000 in profit. And we will expect for the first year about 10% growth each month. Now, why you should invest in Narinj and why should you use Narinj? We currently in Armenia are in the center of a cultural change. Everyone from Yerevan to Artsakh is starting to share, and the issue is getting normalized. We want to be the tool that will accommodate this cultural shift. And we're the first one to provide such a function not only in Armenia but also in the whole region. Russia, Ukraine, Georgia, name a country, neighboring and CIS countries. And another great benefit is that we also have the advantage of having similar payment processing and legislative processes. That means that we can easily, cheaply and effectively get to new markets and have them with our application. Now, we need $6,000 for app development and marketing expenses to help us launch. We plan to launch with delivery services in September, and then we plan to launch with cafes and restaurants in December or in the start of 2021. Help us grow and change the sharing culture in Armenia. Thank you for listening, and you can ask me questions at gor@narinj.am.
Hi, I am Hermine, the co-founder at MetaStyle. Did you know that on average it takes 1 hour and 6 minutes to edit and most importantly correct the messaging style of a blog post? Also, our customer interviews have revealed that 9 out of 10 copywriters and technical writers face some challenges while writing the same content for different audiences in different styles. That's why we are developing MetaStyle. MetaStyle is an AI-powered web-based service for content and technical writers that will help to transfer, modify, and even enhance the writing style while not changing the content of the text itself. How we provide value to writers? For copywriters, we help to present the same content with various styles for different audiences in different platforms, such as Facebook and Twitter. For tech writers and project managers, we help to translate from programmer's language to a human-readable language with less time and less efforts. How it works, you may ask? It is very simple. Imagine a situation that a technical writer wants to write a documentation and explain in it what a container is. She uses the following style, a very technical one. A container is a server virtualization architecture that encapsulates multiple applications and services to run in their own isolated partitions. This is difficult, isn't it? Instead, she could use MetaStyle and transfer the style of her technical text to a non-technical one, a more simpler one. And she can write. A container is a software package that contains everything the software needs to run. Market analysis has revealed that content marketing is growing rapidly, with 13% growth annually. And Asia Pacific is in the center of the growth. However, we will just concentrate on the repurposed content marketing, and by just capturing 1% of the serviceable obtainable market, we will be able to deal with a market which is worth $95 million. Our business model is pretty simple. We are proposing 3 different subscription-based packages to our users, which can be used both by individuals and enterprises. During the pandemic, we reached to our potential customers using LinkedIn and email, and this strategy proved to be very effective. That is why we will continue using direct outreach via LinkedIn and email, and later we are going to concentrate on content marketing, education-driven videos on YouTube, as well as community engagement on Facebook. We are not alone in this market, and of course we have competitors. However, MetaStyle is an all-in-one solution with better style transfer quality and a variety of styles. Currently, we are working on our AI model and we are developing our customer base. In the fall of this year, we are planning to launch the beta version of MetaStyle in Armenia, and next year in the summer, we are going to enter the Indian market. Why India? Because India is a part of Asia Pacific, which grows very rapidly in the terms of content marketing. And also there are 130 million non-native English speakers in India who could use MetaStyle. And later in the winter of 2021, we are planning to create some partnerships with writing platforms, such as Forge Fiction. Behind the scenes is our amazing team, and we have experts in different fields. We have people from computer science, business, and engineering. However, all of us are passionate about data science and machine learning. 3 of us have worked in the field of data science for a long time together, and we know how to work with each other and create value. Now we are looking for relevant introductions that can help us to reach the Indian market. Also, we would like some NLP experts to join our team. In MetaStyle, we believe that effective communication starts with the correct messaging. So please drop us a message. We will be glad to discuss with you our startup and our ideas. Thank you.
Thank you, teams, and thank you everyone who watched these pitches. And remember, if you are interested in meeting startups for one-on-one sessions, you can do that via Zoom. If you are connected via Facebook, then please join the Zoom link from the email that we sent you. Leave a comment, mention the team you would like to chat with, and we will invite you to the Zoom room of the mentioned team.
And now for the Michael Agbabian Awards. All the teams are worthy, but we have to pick 2 winners. So, the Seed Fund Award goes to...
Styliish!
All right. And the Innovator Prize is awarded to...
Spok!
Excellent. Good luck to all the teams. We know all of you will be successful. Thank you. Michael Agbabian Awards. All the teams are worthy, but we have to pick 2 winners. So, the Seed Fund Award goes to...
Styliish!
All right. And the Innovator Prize is awarded to?
Spok.
Excellent. Good luck to all the teams. We know all of you will be successful. Thank you.